Alright, welcome back. Now we have to learn how to drive back home. You got I don't have to see that way. You have to see and have to go up the hill like that. And I always says because I don't have to worry about that. You got easiest way you have to do is that I don't have to available. So let's get started on about that. When did we go? The process behind the history. So we have to see that way. You only have to download a bunch of pictures and GIFs. I only have to worry about that because you won't have to see that way. Because I always think how supposed to do it. So with this tool, easiest way you have to across the United States. It got easiest way you have to get available, and motion picture is set for the hard drive. So it always says because I only have to available when it's getting partly cloudy or better support. Turns out it most should be shipping today. E7 of course will be shipping today at USB ports on, and it always says because I have to use like the USB used for IDCs that are about 30 million. And USB if you want to do the drivings out there. So if you have a sports on your car array, you always say you have to add the racing for firm to be nostalgic. Okay, so we already got here, and what we see here is the custom YouTube channel works better and plays better. Works better because easier, faster, and smarter. Because you can troubleshoot with utilities. You have the signs. Works faster. Flat 32. So much make sure more efficiently. Or you have to down the hill, or traffic lights up to the state. And obviously, so I get to see that. Andrew showing how they're doing. Learn how to drive better. Totally. For the information you need, we're going to get Miss Sunchild, a Diet Pepsi. And always says that driving, you have to drink your skills. And it always says because you always says me and crave it. And crave it's a Kellogg's Crave It cereal. So you used to be out there. You have to go down the hill. The episode to Metal Teamster, the truck guy. This is back in 2014 in summer. We have to go to finicky videos of Box Elder, Big Sandy, Chinook, Dodson, and other kinds of Montana. Right? So to see that way, you got to find out more about your Julius Nostalgic, visit the website at www.youtube.com or visit our location website at www.holidayvillagemall.com. And so only have to see that way. You got you get this spring during spring. See that way. My father and son, easiest way you have to see that way. And you have to get the 5-minute hour shutdown. Where are you going in the weather? What over to Montana? And now you have to get the permission company. Oh, okay. Talk to the company. Billy Course says, I have to get this. I have to finish upgrade Windows 95 on your Packer Bell series. Okay. Well, looks like Andrea has the brain fart in my head. You always says because you have to get the really whips. Don't. Stupid thing. I always the big thing I'm supposed to do it, and I always says because I only have to see that way because the rest of the internet Gary says you have to do it about some place. Keep it alive. The house ship here. So as there is a farmer's insurance, I have to see that way. You have to go inside and truck is froze up solid as possible. Okay. So there I can see here is that you need to let the snow melt because I only have to see that way. There are temperatures in the upper 30s. And so
Yucky roads.
That's a quite bumpy road on the head. And so I can see that way because I only have to do that way because I want to head back to Juby's house, and I'm just gonna have to go to Plenty way back in 2003, and I'm watching Noggin with Grandpa and Grandpa Melly, and all I just have to worry about, and you always says the guy, easiest what you have to do for this drive, and I always says because I only have to see to get the road supposed to it, and what is it always says God, Uncle Andy said, you always says because you always says to God, I did it. How about Grandpa Andy said, you always says, where I like to dedicate this people. I just have to worry about that because I only have to see that way, and I just have to get this one, and you always says to do it from every direction. Okay, so obviously I have to go back home. So what you see here is that I only have to see that way because so I have to go turn left here. So I have to see that way because I only have to get this in across the United States of America, and finally got this one here that's opposed to it. Now, who was a liar in the house? Andrea did.
Oh! You need to help me carry stuff in.
So let's get there and have to put this right over here. So stop right here. That was correct. So let's go ahead and have to close down for a while, and I hope you see you guys soon for the next video. Obviously, you have to get with the garage door closed. And there you go. And now this is Julie Melly has been closed down for repairs, and also includes Julie Melly's sign off on Sunday, March 10th, 2019. Goodbye.